How to fix Amazon Pay refer and earn option not showing. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Amazon account, then click on the menu option at the bottom right inside corner. Now scroll down till the very end and you would be able to find this option of customer service. Simply click on it, then wait for it to load. After that, scroll down till the very end, and at the end you would be able to find this option of chat with us. Simply click on it, then wait for it, and either you can continue with your previous chat or you can start a new chat. Then wait for it and it will ask you some questions. Here you just have to chat with the assistant and tell them that your option of Amazon Pay and refer is not showing up. Then you can just simply tell them about it and they would be able to help you out with all the other stuff related to it, and you would be getting the option to pay and refer and earn, and you would be able to make money in your cashbacks. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.